everybody. As you can see, we are on the water, getting ready for our boat, seeing our test drive, see if it will be ready to go in.
It's not a game, it's a rich game.
Alright, this is going to be a good experience. Alright everybody, as you can see, we are moving. We got my dad driving it right now, because we're not allowed to be able to do that part, but we will be able to have a chance to get it on. But as you can see, we can see my uncle in the way back. See that boat with the tube on it? That's my uncle's boat right there. Love that boat. So nice and beautiful out here. It was cold too. She runs nice though. Look at that guy in his boat. Oh boy. Hold him. Look at that. Look at that. What an amazing day. That's beautiful. Say.
Just chilling, man, getting out in the water and just waiting for my brother to get out here, and then we're gonna take a nice cruise down the river.
Got any words? Good homies. Hope you guys like our videos. You know, we work hard on them every day. Gotta show support, everybody. This took us a while to get done, but we did it. Oh, now you guys can see me. Look at it. Oh, camera's going the wrong way. Sorry, everybody. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, my uncle's boat. Oh, right there. Oh no, that's not them. Those are randoms. Get ready, here comes my uncle's boat. Yeah, that shit was gonna take here, man. Look at him. Look at him over there. Running real smooth. sitting in the back ready to watch this.
Where's that on camera?
Huh?
Get the flamethrower on camera, bro.
Wow, dude.
Woo! The camp's good. Oh, shoot.
God bless me. Got one more look of what's behind us.
It is.
Yeah. Almost there. That baby's purring right there. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but that person in front of us. Woo. You just slide it, bro.
Slide it. Slide it.
No, that's locked. Alright. Let's go.
Ready? Sit down.
Ready. This is a very good success right now. It is working. It's going super fast. Loving it. Look at that. Woo! Oh my. I believe you guys can see my shades on right now. Oh man, look at this. Woo! That wind is coming. What's going on, everybody?
What's up, guys? We're out here on the river.
Yeah.
Well, we didn't go to the lake. We went to the river, but we're out here.
Oh yeah.
We got the boat going. We got more projects in the works. You guys got to stay with us. Like, share, and subscribe. Hang out with us.
We got our boat and everything. Look at our other family out there. My Uncle Billy is over there. Having a fun time. But us right now, we're also having a fun time. Chilling, relaxing, and you know, having a good time.
We're going to hit the beach down the river.
Oh yeah. You guys will love to see it. It's the best place you'll ever see right now. And we'll show you after. Because
Oh, and don't forget to watch the videos all the way through because there's
have a
a giveaway.
so make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe. And turn on post notifications. Make sure you like our videos all the time. Alright? See you guys later. Everybody, we're here again. And we're about to do something very cool for me. About to drive the boat.
Go. Let me see that.
Alright.
Let's see. Woo. Let's see what we got. Hey, easy, bro.
Faster. We're gonna go a little bit faster.
Look at him.
Oh yeah, this is kind of fun. I love it.
Hammer down. Woo! Hammer down. Probably taking it off. We're gonna have to catch up with him. Put the hammer all the way, buddy. Take this.
Yeah, here. I'll get in the water for you. It's right over there.
Look at the life jacket.
Give me a life jacket. Just give me a life jacket.
Got that hat. It's brand new.
You need that hat back. That's your favorite hat, isn't it?
I hope that's on video.
It is on video. Alright, here, hold. Yeah, hold the camera for us. Right in front of us?
Right there.
Oh, I see it. I see it.
You alright? Swim to the boat, or you want a rope? You got this on video?
I hope.
My boy going to get my hat. I love you, buddy. Go ahead, the motor's off. You can come to the back of the boat. Keep an eye on that.
Alright. Here we go.
Don't mess with the yeah. I thought I lost my hat for good, dude.
Oh, fuck.
Yeah, grab here now.
I know, I'm trying. There we go. Whew. Your hat's all wet, bro,
Stand
but
there
like,
for a
I
minute.
got you.
Stand there for a minute, dry off. Alright everybody, thank you for watching. We had a great day on the water today.
Remember to like, share, and subscribe to the video.
I had all blast. You know, I'm still soaking wet. I'm trying to warm up here.
But listen, don't forget we have a giveaway in another video that tells you how to qualify for the giveaway. And you know, join us.
Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Post notifications button always has to be on. Make sure you know that.
Peace.
Peace, everybody.
Peace out, guys.